Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini with pork. So you need pork, zucchini, one piece of garlic, one small tomato and one onion. So let's cut everything into small pieces as you can see on the screen. You need to wash all the vegetables before you cut because this vegetable leaves lots of water when you cook. So we are going to make it dry. Now heat the fry pan, add the oil. When oil gets warm, you can add all the pork into it. You need to fry it until it gets golden brown. Now add garlic. And onion. Salt to taste. Fry it well till 2 minutes and then you can add tomato. Now you can cover it for 2 minutes. Chili is optional. I like chili very much, that's why I add 1 spoon of chili sauce, which I make at home. If you don't like, you don't need to add chili. Chili is optional, as I told you. Now you can add vegetable. Mix it very well and don't cover it. Now add some soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce, so you can buy from any kind of supermarket very easily. Dark soy sauce gives you very beautiful color and more taste. You need to keep fry until it gets dry. Now as you can see, there's no more water. Now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Be happy and be safe, everyone.